Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online store with Shopify, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your online store with Shopify, begin by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose your store name. Once your information is submitted, click Create Your Store. You will be directed to a setup page. Fill in your details such as your address, which is necessary for billing. Next, Shopify will guide you through choosing a theme for your store. Browse the available themes and select one that fits your brand. After selecting a theme, customize it by clicking on Customize. Here, you can adjust colors, fonts, and layout to create a unique look. Once you are satisfied with the design, navigate to the Products section. Click on Add Product to start listing your items for sale. Write detailed descriptions for each product, including titles, prices, and images. After adding your products, go to the Online Store section. Click on the Domains option to set up your store's domain name. You can buy a new domain or connect an existing one. Next, explore the Payments section to set up payment options. Select your preferred payment methods, such as credit card, PayPal, or others. Ensure that you fill in the tax and shipping settings that apply to your business. Once everything is set up, check the Settings menu for additional configurations. Here, you can configure notifications, billing, and other important details. When you are ready, click on the Launch Website option. This action makes your online store visible to customers. Now it's time to promote your store on social media and online platforms. Monitor your sales and customer feedback to continuously improve your store. With persistence and dedication, you'll navigate your way to success. And that's how you can start an online store with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.